Hello and welcome to the Mobile Mentor over here at MPC. Now that you've set up your MPC account, I'm going to show you how to put it on autopilot on your phone, where all they have to do is send you an email. It's going to kick back the information to them. Man, you don't have to do anything but sit back and get paid. So the first thing that you want to do, guys, you want to set up a fresh Google account, a fresh Gmail account, because you don't want anything going to this account except for people trying to get information about the Mobile Mentor. So you're going to set up a fresh Gmail account. Once you've set up the Gmail account, you're going to come into your account and you're going to go up here to this little screw that says settings. Then you're going to click on see all settings. Then you're going to scroll down, guys. You're going to scroll down to where it says vacation settings, your vacation responder. You want to make sure it's today's date, whatever date it is you're setting it up, and leave where it says last day, leave that blank. You're going to put your subject line in, which is the Mobile Mentor, right? Then you're going to come down here and paste in the information that we gave you. The only difference will be this. Let me show you. I'm going to paste it in. This is the information that we gave you. If you look, this is the same information that you received when you got started. The only thing that you want to change is right here, the registration link. Change your registration link so that when the person registers, they're going to register under your account. You can leave the YouTube video as it is because it breaks down and explains the program to them. So this is something that's super simple. Once you do this, the only thing that you want to do at that particular point is you're going to click Save Changes. Once you click Save Changes, like let's say if I go in here, because I'm putting in the same thing. So like check it out. Bam. Put it on autopilot, right? So check this out. If I click Save Changes, bam, my autoresponder is set. You'll see right here where it says Mobile Mentor, vacation settings. It's already set up. So when someone send me information, like they send their name, phone number, email address, this is going to kick right back. We're giving you that information to what you're requesting from them. It's basically the same thing that we sent to you when you asked for information. We send you a text saying send us this information. When they sent the information, if you notice right here, it captured. This was me testing my account. It captured. Right, if I go here and look, it captured right here would say my name, phone number, and email. I just put test in there because I was testing it. Guys, this is super simple. You can make money with this thing super easy. So remember, when you set up your Gmail account, come in, click on that right there, which is the little settings, then click on see all settings, then go down here to where it says vacation responder, turn it on, right? Vacation responder on, turn it on. Click on where it says day. Put today's date is going to show up automatically. Do not put a last day. You want this to run forever. Type in for your subject, MPC Mobile Mentor. Then paste in the information that we've given you. You want to make sure that right here where it has the link, your link is there for registration. Leave the video link the way it is and make sure that your link is there for registration. Click Save Changes and you are done. That is it. That is how you set up your stuff and put it on autopilot over here at the Mobile Mentor. See you on the inside. Take care.